What's up, it's Joe with OCDetailing, and behind me I have a Cybertruck, and we're gonna wrap it with STEK satin or matte chrome PPF. So the difference between this and what your traditional vinyl would be is vinyl is just the color change, where this is actually a 10-year metal protection film. So when you put it on this metal, it will protect it from chips. I'm just kidding, we're just doing it to change the color, and it'll be a little more permanent than the vinyl is, because vinyl is only good for a couple years. So this is a very durable film, self-heals from scratches, and it's gonna look sick. I know a Cybertruck already is this reflective stainless steel, but when we put matte black chrome on here, it's gonna stand out on a way like no other. And it will be the only one on the road, because STEK provided this film to me, and you can't buy it.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. We discovered that you have to clay extensively to get film to stick to this.
I'm gonna lay it on there. And just hold your side open there for right now.
Hey, fork.
More?
Oh, fork. Hey, you're good. Here.
Okay. And this side.
You need to come down just a little bit. Here.
There?
No, look. I think we just shifted, huh?
Use it. That should be plenty. Okay, should be good.
This is gonna look so sick.
It's gonna be blinding in summer.
Yeah, right? This satin chrome doesn't look reflective here, but out in the sun, it's gonna be very obvious it's chrome. It's the lifting right there.
Okay.
That's dope, right? Shout out to STEK USA for sending us this roll of film that nobody else can get a hold of.
So since it's exactly a actual square corner, can't really round it out. So I'm just gonna do a straight cut right up against the corner of the film. This is gonna be the tricky part. So on this front part, this is the leading edge of the hood. There's basically no way to wrap under it since the hood and the bumper come up together. So we're gonna try and kind of squeeze it in just a little bit. That way it grips underneath. And hopefully the air from when it drives won't make the film lift. Since I don't think this or anything really will stick to the bare edge on this steel.
Everyone was roasting that video of, or the pictures of the matte black Cybertruck that had all the corners like they were like kind of badly wrapped. But after I see this thing in person, I'm like, I get it.
Yeah.
It's like there's
little 90-degree angles.
Yeah.
I mean, vinyl would be easier to kind of make it.
Vinyl would be easier to make it stick, but
Yeah. PPF on the other hand.
I mean this, like, how do you?
Yeah. Just enough to tuck under it. And hopefully that stays.
Anthony, be really careful not to cut the paint. Oh, wait. guys want to hear something hilarious while Anthony's doing that? So he had to work on a car by himself last week because his partner was out of town. So at 9 o'clock at night, this customer is just blowing my phone up. He's texting me over and over again. So I text Anthony and I'm like, hey man, that Lexus, what the heck? I had to say what the heck, I said something else, but, and Anthony's like, oh no, what's he pointing out? Because the customer, who's super cool, but is very picky, we kind of expected him to like find anything and everything he possibly could wrong with the car. But he texted me and he was like, out of 8 cars you've done, this is the best one we've ever seen. But because I'm a nice guy, here's what I did to Anthony. It was really funny because I like to bug my employees.
Not funny.
The exact text. Bro, the LC. Ugh. Very sad face emoji. The guy won't stop texting me. Anthony, what did he point out? And I'm like, he just keeps telling me what an awesome job you did. How he's so happy. Out of 8 cars he's done with us, this was the best. Great work. And then Anthony's response to that was, bruh. Hey, how'd you say it? Bruh.
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 As soon as I got that text, I'm like, well, there goes my sleep for tonight.
And that's why we love Anthony. He actually cares. He wants his work to be very good. Although he's gonna drop water into a active heat gun and probably electrocute himself right now, so. Edge and corner work, OCD approved.
Okay, so we're gonna let this front edge dry out for a bit because it's such a small area that the tiniest bit of water probably won't let it stick. So we're just gonna let that hang out for a bit while we...
It does look the same but different. It actually looks very cool.
And best part, way less fingerprints, if any.
Yeah.
Show it.
You know my hands are dirty. No telling where they have been. Yes. Here.
Oh yeah, shows everything.
It's like your fridge.
Yeah.
Is anybody's fridge ever clean? Like, here, look, even when I have water on my hands, it wipes off. This does not wipe off.
Huh? Yeah.
Go that way, so you can see the door. Let's make it matte black chrome. Can you see it? The reflection? Yeah. It's like blinding.
Yeah, right here, right
Yeah,
here.
Jesus.
Right here, it's so powerful, actually. Look, it's completely white. The sun. Yep. You see it? It's like the camera can't even get it. It's just a giant sun in the face.
Yeah, pretty cool. Very, very cool. I can't wait to see this thing done. Dope, dope, dope.